you for landing in my channel. Before you continue, please hit subscribe button and let's start the video. Remove burning pan. Still stubborn. Let's try secret ingredient. Salt. Baking powder. Vinegar. Dishwasher soap. First, pour the salt evenly over the burnt surface of the pan. Second, pour the baking powder over the surface of the pan that is burned. Vinegar in level I, then cover it with tissue. Then, pour dishwasher soap and wait a few minutes until all ingredients will reaction. Remove the tissue, wash with soap, rub it well, then rinse it. The pan is already clear and shiny. Thank you for watching. Don't forget press subscribe and like button. Thank you.